In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Lovable dashboard. This is your main workspace, where you can create projects, find existing ones, manage different workspaces, and access various settings to customize your experience. Let's get started and explore each of these areas to help you become more efficient and comfortable using the Lovable platform. First, when you land on the Lovable dashboard, you'll notice it's strategically designed. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation panel. This panel is your go-to for accessing various features and sections. Go ahead and click on the dashboard on the left side. This will reveal a list of options and tools available to you. It's similar to a toolkit, always ready at your side, enabling you to stay organized and focused on your tasks. Next, let's talk about browsing your projects. This is a crucial area where you'll spend much of your time. Within the dashboard, you'll see a section dedicated to your projects. This area displays your ongoing work, allowing you to pick up right where you left off. To make your project navigation even easier, all your projects are arranged in a searchable list. Keep scrolling if you don't see what you're looking for immediately, and use the search bar for quicker access. This system ensures you can efficiently manage your time and prioritize tasks based on your current needs. Now, moving on to creating a new project, this is an exciting part, as it opens up new opportunities for creativity and collaboration. Within the project area, simply click on the Create Project button. This process will guide you through setting up the initial parameters of your project. You'll give your project a name, perhaps add a description, and select relevant settings. This step allows you to tailor your project to meet specific goals. Don't worry if the setup feels a bit daunting at first. Remember, these settings can be adjusted later as your project evolves. Managing workspaces and settings plays a significant role in how smoothly your experience runs. Access the settings via the dashboard, where you can customize your workspace preferences to suit your working style. Whether it's adjusting notification settings or changing the visual layout, these settings are here to enhance your workflow. Make sure to explore them, as they can significantly improve your productivity and comfort while working on the platform. To wrap it up, understanding how to navigate the Lovable dashboard effectively is key to leveraging the full potential of the platform, enhancing both productivity and ease of use. By familiarizing yourself with these elements, the sidebar navigation, project browsing, creating new projects, and managing settings, you will be well equipped to tackle your project management tasks efficiently.